to lose weight quickly using baking soda, 3 homemade recipes. Fast weight loss is something every woman wants. There are many weight loss programs and diets which promise fast results, but the pounds come right back and you end up wasting your money. In this video we present you the amazing effects of baking soda. We all have it in our kitchens and use it every day. But not many people know how beneficial baking soda actually is. If you want to have a flat stomach and tight, attractive body, healthy diet and regular exercise are a must. In today's fast lifestyle, not many people have the time in order to get the desired body. However, baking soda has amazing weight loss effects and can help you speed up your weight loss process. There are 3 ways in which you can use baking soda to boost your metabolism, burn calories more effectively and lose weight faster. Recipe number 1. Baking soda, lemon juice and grapefruit. Ingredients: half glass of water, 1 lemon or grapefruit, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation: mix all of the ingredients and stir well until they combine. Consume this drink every morning 20 minutes before breakfast. Recipe number 2. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of ACV, apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation: combine all the ingredients until you create a well-blended mixture. You should drink this beverage on an empty stomach before your breakfast. Recipe number 3. Baking soda and fruits. Ingredients: 1 cup of strawberries, a bunch of fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of water, 2 lemons. Preparation: mix all of the ingredients and it is recommended to consume this drink 2 times on a daily basis. You can also add some ice to get a refreshing drink. For best results, try to avoid sugar and flour consumption, as well as consuming alcohol and processed meat. In addition, consider exercising on a regular basis and you will notice great improvements after a very short period of time.